Hello friends, welcome to my channel Soft with HaAn. In this video I show you how to set up a free VPN on your computer without any using software. See this my IP before. IP has been changed. Let's start the video without any delay. First of all, go to vpngate.net and choose the right VPN server for you. Here is a list of many free VPN servers. I am selecting the one in which the speed is high. You should select it as per your choice. Copy this hostname. Go to Settings. Click VPN. Click Add VPN. Type any name. Paste hostname or server address. Make sure username password is VPN. And save. Hit the like button and subscribe this channel Soft with HaAn for more PC and games related content and feedback me for this video.